Hiya, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use a peg loom to make a scarf. Now, a peg loom consists of a heavier block of wood with lots of holes cut into it. I'll show you some other sized pegs. So these ones are suitable for if you're doing fine work and they go in the smaller holes, and obviously these ones are for your chunkier rugs. Okay, so we're about to finish up, and we've more or less ensured that we've got the same tension throughout. We are going to have to do just a little bit of tidying up once we've done this, and we can sort of move it around a bit to ensure that it's all the same tension. But this has taken, to make an entire peg loom scarf, less than an hour really, so not that long at all. We'll just keep going, and we're going to make a knot. Doop. Do a little doop. Any minute now. And it's the ideal sort of thing you can do whilst listening to the radio or watching TV. You really don't have to concentrate on it so much. Kind of like that about it as well. And you can pick it up and put it back down again, so you don't have to do it in an entire hour. I think it would probably take around about one evening to make. You could fit it in amongst getting up to make lots of cups of tea, or doing the laundry, things like that. So it's perfect for sort of doing whilst doing lots of other things. Okay, so tied it off there. Just push it through to ensure it's not going to come loose at any point. We've got a little tassel, it's not the end of the world. So, as you can see, it's quite thick in places. So what I want to do is take all my pegs out. I can kind of discard with those. I'm going to see how much length I've got on the end. So what I really want to do is get it so it's a nice tension across the entire length. This is just one ball of wool, but you can see that we can affect the length of it overall. So I do want it to be a bit longer than it currently looks. So it takes a little bit of work to keep the pegs on at this time, but you can see it's sort of growing. Let's tuck them under. So it's quite bunched up here. So you want it nice and soft. Well, that's how I've decided I want it as well. Anyway, so I've got an even number of pegs, which I'm knotting as we speak without meaning to. And what I want to do is unknot it, is tie them into pairs so that I've got a nice even tension and a nice finish to it. So I'll just do half reef to get them nice and loose and roughly in the place I want, and a half reef on this pair. So half reef is left over right and under, so left over right and under. Okay, and we're roughly where we need to be. Let them hang down, you can see that. And then what I'll do is the other half, which is right over left and under. Nice finish to that. So the other half right, over left and under. Right, over left and under. And then I'll cut these off, or I want them to be roughly the same length. Because I want tassels on the end, because that is how I roll. Okay, that can go in the bag because you will lose the pegs because they are sneaky pegs, and they must always go back to where they came. Okay, so then I'm going to do the same the other end. And this is why it's better to have even number of pegs, because you can tie them into pairs quite easily, which will stop them from moving at all. And exactly the same, left, under, right and over. And the middle. Okay, and then we can see that we've got them to a nice neat finish. So then we'll just finish the reef knot off. And it really is as easy as that. So if you'd like more ideas on how you can create your own homemade crafts, they're really not as hard as people think. And it's nice and relaxing to do, and it's always nice to receive handmade gifts. So then what you want to do is make sure that you've got them about the same length. If you want more ideas, please pop to theminismallholder.com or subscribe to my channel. But it's as easy as that. It's less than an hour to do, and as I say, you can do it in between ad breaks or however you want to do it. But that's a nice little scarf, nice and cozy, ready for winter from one ball of wool. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Bye.